Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Ivy.
And I am Ryan. Hello.
How are you today, Ryan?
I am good, Ivy, but I am a little nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous, Ryan?
I have a Zoom meeting tomorrow. It is my first Zoom meeting for work. I do not want to make a mistake.
Do not worry, Ryan. That is our topic today. We will talk about Zoom meeting etiquette.
Etiquette? What is etiquette?
Good question. Etiquette means good manners. It means being polite.
Ah, I understand. Polite. Nice, good manners.
Yes, today we will learn simple rules for Zoom meetings. We will learn words like mute, unmute, and background. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's start.
Part 1. Being on time. Rule number 1 is very simple. Be on time.
Be on time. Does that mean I should not be late?
Exactly. Do not be late. If the meeting is at 9 a.m., you should be ready at 8:55 a.m.
8:55 a.m. So 5 minutes early.
Yes, 5 minutes early is good. Sometimes you need to update Zoom. Sometimes your internet is slow.
That is true. My internet is sometimes slow.
So log in early. Log in means to enter the meeting.
Log in. Enter the meeting.
Ryan, repeat after me. I will log in early.
I will log in early.
Very good. One more time. I will not be late.
I will not be late.
Perfect. Being on time shows respect. It is good etiquette. Practice moment 1. Listeners, now it is your turn. Listen and repeat. Be on time. Be on time. Do not be late. Do not be late. Good job. Let's continue. Part 2. Audio and muting. Now let's talk about sound. Let's talk about audio. Ryan, do you know the button called mute?
Yes, M-U-T-E, mute.
Correct. When you mute your microphone, nobody can hear you. It is silent.
Okay, when should I mute?
You should mute when you are not speaking.
When I'm not speaking? Why?
Because of background noise. Maybe your dog barks, maybe there's a car outside.
Ah, I see. Noise.
Yes, if you are not talking, press mute.
And when I want to talk?
Then you unmute.
Unmute. That means turn the sound on.
Yes, mute is sound off, unmute is sound on.
Okay, I will practice. Ivy, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. You are unmuted.
Now I'm pressing mute.
Now I cannot hear you, Ryan. You are on mute.
Okay, I'm back. I unmuted.
Excellent. This is very important. Many people forget. They make noise during the meeting.
I will remember. Mute when listening, unmute when speaking.
Simple, right? Also, try to find a quiet room.
A quiet room. A room with no noise.
Yes, no TV, no loud music, just quiet. Practice moment 2. Listeners, let's practice these important words. Listen and repeat. Mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. Please unmute. Please unmute. You are on mute. You are on mute. Very good. You are on mute is a very common phrase. Part 3. Video and camera. Okay, Ryan, we talked about audio. Now let's talk about video.
The camera.
Yes, the camera. In most meetings, you should turn on your camera.
Turn on my camera? Why? I'm shy.
I know, many people are shy, but seeing your face is friendly. It helps communication.
Okay, I will turn on my camera.
Good, but check your background.
Background? What is behind me?
Yes, look behind you. Is your room messy? Is there a dirty shirt on the chair?
Oh no, there is a dirty shirt on my chair.
Remove the dirty shirt, Ryan. Your background should be clean.
Clean background. Okay, a plain wall is good.
Yes, a plain wall is very good, or a bookshelf.
What about a virtual background? Zoom has virtual backgrounds.
Yes, you can use a virtual background, like a picture of an office or a picture of the beach.
I like the beach.
For a work meeting, an office picture is better. Keep it professional.
Professional. Okay, no beach, office background.
Also, look at the light.
The light?
Yes, do not sit with a window behind you.
Why not?
Because you will be dark, we cannot see your face. The light should be in front of you.
Light in front. Window in front.
Yes, face the window, then your face is bright and clear. Practice moment 3. Let's practice some camera phrases. Listeners, repeat after me. Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. Check your background. Check your background. Is the light good? Is the light good?
I like these phrases. They are useful.
Part 4. Speaking and listening. We are almost done. Let's talk about speaking.
Okay, how do I speak in a Zoom meeting?
Speak clearly and do not speak too fast.
Speak slowly?
Yes, sometimes the internet connection is bad. If you speak fast, the sound breaks. The sound breaks?
Yes, it sounds like, hello, how are you?
Ah, I understand. Lag. Exactly. So speak slowly. Speak clearly.
What if I want to say something, but someone else is talking?
Do not interrupt. Interrupt means to speak when someone else is speaking.
Do not interrupt. It is rude.
Yes, wait. Wait for them to finish. Or use the raise hand button.
Raise hand button?
Yes, Zoom has a button with a hand icon. Click it, a small hand appears on your screen.
Oh, that tells the host I want to speak.
Yes, it's a polite way to say, I have a question.
Raise hand. That's great.
And look at the camera.
Look at the camera, not the screen.
When you speak, look at the camera dot. It looks like you are looking at their eyes. It's eye contact.
Eye contact, looking at the eyes.
Yes, if you look at the screen, it looks like you are looking down.
That's a good tip. Look at the camera dot.
Review section. We learned a lot today, Ryan. Let's review. Let's remember the main points.
Okay, let's review.
Point number 1.
Be on time. Log in early.
Correct. Point number 2.
Mute when not speaking. Unmute to speak. Find a quiet room.
Excellent. Point number 3.
Turn on the camera. Check the background. Put the light in front of me.
Excellent. And point number 4.
Speak clearly. Do not interrupt. Use the raise hand button.
Ryan, you are ready for your meeting.
I feel much better. I feel confident.
Confident, that's a great word. You are not nervous anymore?
No, I am not nervous. I am ready.
I'm happy to hear that. Outro. That is the end of our lesson today on Daily English Lines.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Remember to practice. Mute, unmute, camera, background. Use these words this week.
Good luck with your Zoom meetings.
See you next time.
Goodbye.